What's the meaning of bedpan? Bedpan. Bedpan.
Bedpan. Bedpan. A bedpan is a type of receptacle used for the toileting needs of bedridden or immobile people. It is essentially a bowl-shaped container that can be easily slid underneath a patient who is lying in bed, allowing them to relieve themselves without having to leave their bed. Bedpans are typically made out of plastic, metal, or ceramic materials and can be easily cleaned and sanitized after use. They are commonly used in hospitals, nursing homes, and other healthcare settings and are an important tool for maintaining the hygiene and comfort of bedridden patients. Overall, bedpans play an important role in healthcare and quality of life for those who are unable to move freely.